In the quiet of the morning light, when the world is still half asleep, I hear 1,000 different voices, all hoping for the same heartbeat. Different colors, different names, different stories we all carry, but underneath the fear and pain is a dream that's never buried. Every wall we build is made of fear, every bridge begins with trust. If we listen just a little more, we'll remember who we are. Let there be peace in every street, let there be love in everything we do. Hand in hand, heart to heart, me and you and all of us too. We are stronger when we stand as one, under the same old sky above. This is our song, our hope, our truth. Together in peace, together in love. I see tears fall like summer rain from eyes that just wanna belong. I see hope rise in a simple smile. I hear courage in a song. No one's meant to walk alone through the shadows of this land. If we choose to lift each other up, we can heal with our own hands. Every word can be a spark of light, every choice can change the road. What we give is what we grow. Let there be peace in every street, let there be love in everything we do. Hand in hand, heart to heart, me and you and all of us too. We are stronger when we stand as one, under the same old sky above. This is our song, our hope, our truth. Together in peace, together in love. If the world feels torn apart tonight, if the darkness feels too strong, be the flame, be the kindness, be the right inside the wrong. One small act, one open door, one I see you, one I care. Change begins with you and me, breathing in the same shared air. From the mountains to the oceans wide, from the deserts to the streets, every soul is singing silently for mercy, grace, and peace. We don't need to be the same to stand side by side. Love is bigger than our borders, hope is stronger than our pride. Let there be peace in every street, let there be love in everything we do. Hand in hand, heart to heart, me and you and all of us too. We are stronger when we stand as one, under the same old sky above. This is our song, our hope, our truth. Together in peace, together in love. So sing it loud, sing it soft, sing it when the road is rough. The world is changed by simple things, by faith, by hope, by love. And when tomorrow calls our name, we'll rise united strong, because peace and love will lead us home, and together we belong. If you want, I can also make it shorter or longer, rewrite it for a specific music style. Pop, folk, gospel, reggae,